ISIC in Egypt. I'm Islam Al Nazir, LCVP Expo in ISIC 6th of October. I'm applying in the FASI team to gain a bigger experience as a FASI in a multinational environment and engaging with the EPs in another touch point to deliver to them the leadership session that they will reflect on their own experience. In order to make a creative environment, one of the best ways is to create activities that will make them feel engaged and to learn at the same time. To enjoy their time, we can make a theme for the whole conference, and that will be an exciting thing for them. The minute you think of giving up, think about the reason why you're held on for so long. Don't give up. Keep walking on your own road. As long as you believe in it, it doesn't matter if you will not walk alone. Never give up.